Here I have ULEFONE Armor X7 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to transfer files from internal storage to SD card on this device. So to do this, firstly you should go to the Files application, like this one. You can transfer like any kinds of files like these, images, videos, like audios and stuff. So let's transfer some images. So let's pick, for example, this one. So to select it, you just hold down your finger on it, then tap on three dots, select if you want to move this image or if you want to copy it. So let's copy. Then select where to, in our case to SD card. And you select any folder you like, could be pictures to me, tap copy here. And now we have these files on our SD card. Okay, copy to SD card, podcasts, okay, copy here. Okay. Allow access. Allow. Oh, and now it's on. Yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.